Welcome to this video on the queen of mathematical constants, the number e. It is an irrational number, approximately 2.7182818, hidden behind every growth process in the universe. Today, we will unlock the mystery of why e is the fundamental constant of change. E is the universal constant of continuous growth. It governs finance, biology, probability, and physics. It is not just a theoretical abstraction, but the engine behind the equations of the real world, modeling everything from compound interest to radioactive decay. Let's explore a thought experiment. Depositing $1 with an impossible 100% interest rate. If paid annually, the total is $2. Semi-annually, it's $2.25. Paid monthly, the total approaches $2.61. The final amount depends on how often the interest is compounded. If we push the interest compounding frequency to its absolute limit, say every nanosecond, we hit a mathematical ceiling. The total value approaches a specific limit, e. This is the definition of e, the maximum possible result of continuous growth at a 100% rate. There is a deeper way to define e that involves the elegance of factorials, defining beauty through infinite sums. We start with 1 and continuously add the reciprocal of factorials. This infinite series is how mathematicians calculate the precise value of the constant. Watching the number emerge, each new term in the factorial series becomes smaller, almost disappearing. However, these tiny additions continuously push the cumulative total toward the precise convergence target, 2.718281828459045. The most magical property in calculus is why e is the natural base. The function e to the power of x is the only function where its derivative or rate of change is itself. Its growth rate is exactly proportional to its current size. To understand the rate of change in the universe, you must use e. E is the hidden engine of randomness. The bell curve, or normal distribution, is the foundation of modern statistics and is powered by e. It is found everywhere, from analyzing test scores to manufacturing errors, bringing order to the chaos of chance. The number e is critical for modeling life and contagion. Populations, such as bacteria growing in a petri dish, follow the curve of e. The spread of a virus through a population is also modeled by equations reliant on e. It is hiding behind the numbers wherever biological systems expand without constraint. E describes how things fade away, not just how they grow. From atoms to stars, the physics of decay is governed by e. Radioactive decay, cooling objects in thermodynamics, and even the brightness of stars all follow exponential decay curves written in terms of e. We have seen e in 3 forms: the limit of continuous compound interest for the banker, the sum of an elegant infinite series for the mathematician, and the blueprint for biological growth and physical decay for the architect. It is the thread connecting the microscopic to the cosmic. Now that you know the true power of this number, you will start seeing e everywhere. Next time you see a natural growth curve, remember, behind it is e, one of the most beautiful constants in mathematics, approximately 2.7182818.